to show you guys how to make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. You're going to be needing half an onion, half a green bell pepper, ribeye shaved meat, which I'm using Halal, which is basically blessed meat, salt and pepper to taste, cooking oil, bread, so it's in mozzarella cheese, mayonnaise, sour cream, and jalapenos. So let's begin. I'm using these Subway kind of breads with onions, bell peppers, and I sliced those thinly. And this is the meat that I got from Restaurant Depot. Here's a picture of the box, and it's basically like a steak type of meat that's shaved down into slices ready to use. And here it is again. And you're gonna need a saucepan just like that, some oil, and utensils obviously. And let's begin. So first I'm just slicing the bread in half to get it ready for the meat to go on top. And you're going to want to set your oven preheated to 350 while you're getting the meat ready. So I'm just adding a little bit of oil and adding a few onions, and with that I'm going to be adding a few bell peppers. And I just sliced down the meat and added it to the saucepan. I sliced it so it could defrost faster. But here I am just, cooking it regularly. And I didn't record the part where I did season it, but basically I just added salt and pepper to taste. I kept on putting salt and pepper through the shaker and until it tasted just right. But those are only two seasonings I put, salt and pepper. So now I'm getting the bread ready. I'm just adding some mayonnaise on top of the bread. And on this side I'm going to be putting the meat. So now here I am just adding the meat really quick. And it looks really great and steamy. And you're going to now add the cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, and I also like to use Swiss cheese, so I'm just going to put a few chunks of Swiss cheese on. And now you're just going to pop it in the oven at 350, and I just let it toast for a few minutes, and I watched it. Let's see how it looks in a few seconds. And there you go. That's how it's supposed to look when it comes out. The bread should be toasty. The cheese should be melted, and it honestly looks amazing. Now I'm just adding a few jalapenos to give it a little bit of spice and a little bit of sour cream. And there you go. That's a super easy Halal Philly cheesesteak that you can make at home, and it honestly came out amazing. I don't think I'm ever going to go out again to get one of these because I can easily just make it at home. Enjoy, guys! If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you!